Hello everyone. Yeah, today we do some comparison for the backup camera, and I have two cameras here. On the left side is the Starlight night vision camera, backup camera, and the right side is the DMP Brightness HD PLUS camera. And this camera, we spend our time with the technical team and the factory to invent this camera. And you can see the detail, and this is much more better, and the sensor is big, and the night vision is very good, and the left side is small, and you can see the comparison. And this is in my office, and for right now the vision is the camera by DMP, and we just switch to the normal camera. Yeah, you can see, and the angle is not so wide, and for our camera it's very wide, you can see a lot. Okay, so we did a comparison for the night vision, and this is the DMP camera, and we test for the vision. Okay, the light is off right now. Okay, you can compare. It's very clear. Everything is you can see on the screen. And compare with we switch the screen to the normal camera. Yeah, you will see nothing. It's very bad vision. And back to our camera. Yeah, there is very good vision. Okay, light is on right now. Yeah.